Hi there, Adam. It's Marcy Hutton recording your video for you that I spoke to you about. And what I'm going to show you in this video are 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I found is that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you like what you've heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, we can chat. Or if by the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. Either way, it'd be great to hear your feedback on the video, and so I'll reach back out and make sure you received it and watched it, and we'll see what you have to say. So I'm going to try to keep this real brief. The 3 things that I'm going to go over that carry the most weight to help you get your website more visible, be in front of more eyes, and to beat out your competitors when it comes to the search results would be content, citations, and backlinks. So when I say content, what I'm referring to is what I've got highlighted and the images that you show on your site. Let's just take a look. So you've got your business name there, and then that's better than no labeling at all. But best case scenario to attract new customers is you'd want to put in keywords, things that people would be typing into the search browser when they don't even know you exist, so that you can be matched up with them. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on a homepage, and that is so that they can match up and give the most relevant results to their searchers. They want to keep people on their search engine because that's how they make money. So you absolutely have an opportunity here. If you were to add some keyword-rich, authoritative, unique content, it will help Google to match you up with the customers that you're looking for. Now, the second thing that I will go to is citations, and what a citation is it is a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. The more directories, like Yellow Pages and 411, Yelp, all those type of things. There's literally thousands of directories on the internet. Now Google goes out and crawls. It sees that you've got your business listed in all these directories, and it lets them know that your business is legitimate. The second benefit, and big benefit, is that if you have more citations than the rest of your competitors, that is definitely going to give you some power and help push you up further, near the top in this search for the map listing, the Google My Business listing. Kind of falls in line also with your organic ranking. By organic, I mean this section down here, meaning that people can click on your site. You're showing up on the first page of the search, but it's not with a paid ad, so it's not costing you anything to have people click on your business. That's the organics. Ranking organically is how we refer to that. So the backlinks, the third thing that I'm going to mention here, that's what helps to get you shown on the first page of the search. So what a backlink is it's when you've got a link from a third-party site on the internet and it's linking back to your website. How this benefits you and helps you understand in the most simplest terms is if you think of the internet as a big popularity contest. When other sites on the internet vote for yours, aka link to yours, that in Google's eyes sees, they think you're the popular one then. You've got all these other sites on the internet paying attention to you, linking to you. Therefore, they're going to reward you with that and push you up higher in the search. So I took your site and I put it into this tool here, which shows me what's going on behind the scenes. And it shows me that you have 21 referring domains, so 21 other websites linking to yours, giving you about 51 backlinks. You're being found for 44 words, and this is where the content is so important, ties in with it. And then you're getting about 4 people finding your site a month on average, clicking on your site. Looks like you started to, maybe you started your business here, or at least got this site up here in April of 2020. So what I did, so you can kind of see a comparison of what it would look like for this search term anyways. This business is the one that's showing up in that #1 organic position. So I put him into the same tool so we can see what he's got going on. And he has, and disclaimer here, not all links are created equal. You want to be getting links from sites that are reputable, that have been on the internet for a while, that Google trusts, relevant to what it is that you do. So not all, as I said, links are created equal. And when it comes down to quality or quantity, quality is always going to beat out quantity. So good, solid, powerful backlinks. Now this site has 114 other sites that are linking back to theirs, giving them 601 backlinks. They're being found for 902. That was a big difference on the amount of content, basically, you know, that Google can find you with. And they're getting just over 300 visitors on average clicking on their site each month. So I'm going to leave it there, Adam. As promised, not go too deeply into this. And I'm going to email it off to you, and I'll follow up to make sure that you did receive it and had a chance to watch the information. And once again, your feedback would be greatly appreciated. Talk to you soon.